Guests are Steve Wendel and John Sorel of executive managing director and managing director of the Berkeley Point Capital. Welcome, guys.
Thanks, Jeff.
Great. Oh, two at once. I like stereo. First, why don't you tell us about Berkeley Point Capital?
Sure, I'm Steve Wendel, as Jeff said, executive managing director of Berkeley Point Capital in Boston. Berkeley Point provides financing to owners of conventional apartment buildings, student housing, and seniors housing across the United States. Today we're going to talk mainly about seniors housing, and most of the seniors housing transactions we work on include healthcare components that address the changing needs of seniors residents in retirement. In any given year, we provide owners of multifamily and seniors housing with $3 billion to $5 billion of debt to fund their housing needs. We act primarily as a direct lender, representing Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and FHA. The loans we originate in turn provide guaranteed investments for institutional investors across the nation in the form of mortgage-backed securities. Thus, our work involves properly underwriting the real estate when we originate the loans and then servicing the investor and borrowers over the term of the loan, which is typically 10 years or more. John's going to talk a little bit about that later. We like to think our advantage versus other lenders is how we integrate our origination and asset management teams to provide great service over the life of the loan to our borrower clients as well as to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, and our investor clients. This integration defines what service means to us, a seamless coordination of client and asset management for the entire term of the investment. At Berkeley Point, we currently service and asset management a portfolio of over 2,200 loans, representing almost 500,000 apartment and seniors housing units across the country, a portfolio that's now worth over $27 billion for our clients.
You know, I'm a baby boomer, and it's the largest growing segment of the population. I just think it must be overwhelming for you to deal with that segment.
What's an interesting fact is that the baby boom, of course, really started about 9 years after World War II ended, so in the summer of 1946. And we'll talk a little bit about this later, but we're really on the front edge of the baby boom as it comes to seniors housing. The real extrapolation of the seniors housing population is actually still in front of us. But yes, it is a challenge both for in the housing arena as well as really in the entire government sort of financing of seniors' needs across the country.
Now, John, I hear a lot of talk about Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Is this influencing the market and how you do business?
It is. I mean, there's a common misconception out there that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac only do single-family housing. They actually have a long, proud history of doing multifamily housing, including healthcare. Fannie and Freddie have a mission to meet their have a mission to.
Yes, keep going.
Fannie and Freddie have a mission to meet affordable goals and to assist in this type of housing. They are part of their mandate is to be in marketplaces where there isn't other financing readily available and to finance the type of properties that we're talking about that are not always eligible for more conventional financing.